Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Ethereum address in ICE. It's easy to get this done. Open up your ICE application. Once you've opened up ICE, make sure you have an account, a valid account here. And in order to be able to add your address, please take note that their terms of service has been updated concerning adding your Ethereum address. You would now be making use of the BNB Smart Chain address instead of the Ethereum address. So as a result of this, the tokens would be sent on the BNB Smart Chain network. Now with this view in sight, all you need to do now is get your BNB Smart Chain address from either your MetaMask or your Trust wallet and paste it here. And also take note that if you include your BNB Smart Chain address to the account, you're not going to be eligible to become one of the top 300 validators as per their white paper. So all you need to do is simply confirm this and easily confirm your address. So open up your MetaMask account. Once you've opened up MetaMask, alright guys, and once your MetaMask has opened up, make sure your account has been set up. So in order to get your BNB address, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the Ethereum main network and click on Add Network. Where we have the BNB Smart Chain, click on Add and click on Approve. By doing this, you've successfully added the network, and when you click on Switch to Network, you could easily make use of your BNB address, which is the same as your Ethereum address. So once you've copied this address, minimize and open up the ICE network application. Please take note of this text that has been pasted on your screen. Click on Confirm and then enter your BNB address. So once you've entered the address, simply click on Confirm Address, and by doing so, you've successfully linked your address to the platform. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.